Hello everyone, welcome to the maths class. So in today's session we will be doing question number 2 from exercise 6.3. So question number 2 says that fill in the blanks with greater, smaller or equal to sign. So question number A we have here is minus 3 plus minus 6 blank minus 3 minus 6. So this should be solved, and which one is greater, which one is smaller, that should be represented, or equal to sign should be represented in each blank state. So here you can see that there are two sides. This is the right hand side and this is the left hand side. So first of all, instead of solving directly, first of all let's solve of each question. Let's solve the left hand side separately, and let's solve the right hand side separately, then we will compare the value. Okay, so you all know that the rule of multiplication with the integers, right? So minus 3, so minus plus is minus 6 and minus minus is plus, but the sign will be minus here. Why? Because 6 is a greater number, and what will be the value? It will be minus 9. Why? Because minus minus is plus, minus minus is plus, and 6 plus 3 is 9, but the sign will be minus. Why? Because 6 is a greater number compared to 3. Now in the left hand side we got 9 here. Now let us solve the right hand side. The right hand side we have here is minus 3 minus 6 is the question. Now minus 3 minus minus is plus 6. So now minus plus is minus. So you'll be doing minus first. 6 minus 3 is 3. But the sign will be plus. Why? Because 6 is a greater number here, and 6 is carrying a positive sign, so plus 3 will be the value. So now you tell me which number is greater. Of course 3 is very greater number compared to minus 9. Although 9 is greater, but because of this minus sign, 9 became smaller compared to 3. So 3 here is a greater number. That's why the greater sign should be represented in this manner, in this direction. Okay, so you know this. Let's do number B now. Number B we have is minus 21 minus 10. First of all, let's solve the left hand side as we did in the previous sum. So minus 21 minus minus is plus 10. So you all know that minus plus is minus, so minus should be done. 21 minus 10 is 11, but the sign should be minus. Why? Again, the 21 is a greater number, that's why the sign should be minus. Okay, next in the right hand side we have is minus 31 plus minus 11. Now minus 31 plus minus, you all know that it is minus 11. So here minus minus is plus, minus minus is plus, so it should be addition should be done. So what will be the value? The value will be 42, but the sign will be minus. Why? Because 31 is a greater number compared to 11. That's why minus sign should be given. Okay, now in between these two, you choose which one is the greater number. Of course 11 being a smaller number compared to 42, but because of this negative sign here, it is making 11 greater number. So the sign should be like this, right? Sum is very easy, just you have to use the concept, the basic concept or the basic idea which we have used in the which I have discussed you in the previous questions. The third one, let us solve the left hand side first. 45 minus minus is plus 11. So 45 plus 11 is 6 and 56 in the left hand side. Now let us solve the right hand side. The right hand side we have is 57 plus, and inside the bracket we have is minus 4. Okay, next 57 plus minus is minus 4. Now 57 minus 4 is 53. So both the number is carrying positive sign. Why? Because here it is 57 is a greater number which is carrying positive sign again. Now in 45 also it is positive, so it is 56 plus 56. So in both the case it is positive of 56 and 53. So here in this case you can easily identify which one is greater. So 56 is greater number compared to the 57 plus minus 54. So number C is also done. Now number D, I request you all to do it yourself. So this one will be a home assignment. Alright students, so I hope you people understood the concept which we did in this sum. Alright, so in our next class we will proceed with the next sums. Till then, stay safe and healthy. Thank you everyone.